Alright, YouTube. I've been getting a lot of comments about, well, in particular, I've been talking to this one guy about a rag joint. This right here is the rag joint. It's attached to an intermittent shaft, steering shaft right above the power steering gearbox. It'd be the same on Blazers, Tahoes, basically any Chevy truck has this piece. It's a rag joint. What happens is it's in there. If you see it, I'll show you guys. The one in here is bad. I gotta replace it. So, hold on, let me get it to focus. There it goes. But that, I don't see if you guys see that. But that little bit of play, if you see it spreading right here, if you watch it by my finger, but that's the rag joint. And also, in the Chevy Tahoes, your upper intermediate shaft bolts down to underneath here, and it's, as you can see, I'm sorry for the lighting. Oh, hold on. Let me get a goddamn lighter so you guys can see what I'm talking about. But that's the upper intermediate shaft right there. It connects to, right there. It connects to your steering. And then right there, that coupling is a bearing that also could be causing play in your steering on the Tahoes as well, as long as the Blazers. Like any truck, man. But yeah, if you have any further questions, let me know, man. It's a very simple procedure. You take the air box out. You're just a little plastic thing over there that I already took off. But yeah, man, if you guys have any questions, let me know.